Using a Visa gift card on Shein is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and a few simple steps. To get started, make sure you have a valid Visa gift card with a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. First, go to the Shein website and browse through the various products until you find the items you want to purchase. Add these items to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once you have added all the items you want to purchase, click on the shopping cart icon to view your cart. Next, click on the Proceed to Checkout button to start the checkout process. You will be prompted to sign into your Shein account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After signing in, you will be asked to enter your shipping address and select a shipping method. Choose the shipping method that best suits your needs and click on the Continue to Payment button. On the payment page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and gift cards. To pay with your Visa gift card, click on the Credit, Debit card option and select Visa as the card type. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code located on the back of the card. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the payment process. If your Visa gift card has a balance that is less than the total cost of your purchase, you will need to use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. Shein allows you to split your payment between a gift card and another payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Place Order button to complete the payment process. You will receive an email confirmation of your order, and your items will be shipped to you within the selected timeframe. It is essential to note that Visa gift cards can only be used for online purchases and may have certain restrictions or limitations. Make sure to check the terms and conditions of your gift card before using it on Shein. Additionally, keep in mind that Shein may have specific policies regarding gift card payments, so it is a good idea to review their website for any additional information. By following these steps, you can easily use your Visa gift card to make a purchase on Shein. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance and use it before the expiration date to avoid any issues.